Alright, so my little buddy Jesse, he's playing Xbox downstairs and so we're not supposed to. He's supposed to do his laundry and shit like that. And his dad said, and our dad said that if he catches him playing and I didn't tell him, he says he's gonna smash it into fucking pieces. So I gotta make him get off and tell dad he's not gonna destroy his stuff. I'm gonna destroy myself too. Alright, let's see what this is. Jesse, what the fuck are you doing?
Get the fuck out of here.
Hey, no, Dad said that if he caught you playing, and he figured out, if he said that he caught you playing, and he figured out that if he figured out that you're playing and he thought that I didn't tell you, then he's not only gonna destroy your stuff, but he's gonna destroy my stuff too.
Fuck him. Just tell him I told you to go fuck himself. All right, I don't care. I'm trying to fucking play, man.
All right. Well, I'm not gonna.
Get the fuck out.
I'm not gonna say anything. Jeez, fucking head. All right. So now I'm gonna fucking tell him his damn fucking ass. All right, let's see this. So this is Dad right here. He's gonna fucking kill Jesse when he finds out what he's doing. All right, let's see what Dad.
What are you doing, Jeffrey?
Hey, Dad. How are you going, Dad? So guess what Jesse's doing right now?
What?
He's fucking playing Xbox downstairs. And didn't you want him to like?
He's not supposed to play Xbox.
I know. Didn't you like want him to shovel the driveway or something?
He didn't shovel it.
No. I thought he told you he was gonna do yesterday, right?
And he's playing Xbox.
Yeah.
Downstairs.
Yeah.
Right now.
Absolutely.
When he was supposed to. Why do you always have that camera on?
Because it's fun.
Didn't I ask you to shovel the driveway?
Dad?
I asked you to shovel that driveway.
It's fun.
You're playing video games right now. And this is video games. You're playing this.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god!
Holy shit! Holy shit! Dad! Dad! Ow! Fuck!
Shovel the driveway.
Fuck you! Dad! Dad! What are you doing? Dad!
Shovel the driveway, Jay.
Dad!
Is he gonna stop him?
You should have shoveled the driveway, Jess. What are you going to ever learn?
Beat my level, it's fine.
You're 23 years old, Jess. I mean, for God's sake. I asked you to shovel a driveway. A 15-year-old would have done that, Jess.
It's fine.
You're almost double that age. When are you going to learn? How many times do I have to destroy your shit before you realize you gotta take responsibility in life?
Dad! No,
Holy shit! Oh my god!
Shovel the driveway.
Stop filming me!
Shovel the driveway, Jess.
Stop filming, you fucking... Why are you